Pusasan nyo.
Pusasan nyo. Bisipa eh.
Jomina!
Hoy!
Jomina!
Tansya lang ha.
What's your purpose to doing that?
Because we are immigration and this is the Philippines. This is not China. Now you have to go with us and follow our rules. Go! Now! You first. We're not hurting you. Sir pa! Sir pa, capture sa camera.
Turing.
Relax.